The pirande plant, also known as welt grape or devil's backbone, is a traditional plant in South Indian cuisine and Ayurvedic medicine. It has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties and is also valued for its culinary uses. Pirande, also known as welt grape or Radmanth creeper, is a popular ingredient in traditional South Indian cuisine. It is used in various culinary preparations such as chutneys, pickles, and stir-fries for its unique flavor and nutritional benefits. Pirande, also known as welt grape, is highly valued in Ayurveda and Siddha medicine for its medicinal properties. It is believed to have potent anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, and analgesic properties and is commonly used to treat joint pain, arthritis, and digestive disorders. The plant is also a rich source of vitamins and minerals, making it beneficial for overall health and well-being. Pirande, also known as Admanth creeper, is rich in dietary fiber and is effective in treating digestive issues such as constipation and indigestion. Its high fiber content helps in regulating bowel movements and relieving constipation by adding bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass. The presence of natural digestive enzymes in pirande aids in improving digestion, reducing bloating, and preventing indigestion. Pirande, also known as Admanth creeper, has been found to possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a valuable natural remedy for reducing inflammation in the body. Additionally, it exhibits analgesic effects, providing relief from pain and discomfort. The active compounds in pirande work to suppress inflammatory responses and alleviate pain, offering a promising alternative for managing inflammatory conditions and pain-related ailments. Traditional methods of preparing pirande-based remedies involve sun-drying the plant, powdering it, and using it in various formulations such as chutneys, powders, and oils. When using pirande for medicinal purposes, it is important to take certain precautions. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should avoid its use. Additionally, individuals with kidney stones or kidney problems should consult a healthcare professional before using pirande. Potential side effects may include stomach upset, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. It's important to start with a small dose to test for any adverse reactions. Preserving traditional knowledge about pirande is crucial for promoting its health benefits and cultural significance. This knowledge has been passed down through generations and holds valuable insights into the uses and properties of pirande.